Having trouble sleeping? Check out these foods that can help you improve your sleep. Our body and our entire well-being depends from the quality of our sleep. Not being able to fall asleep or waking up frequently during the night is not a good sign for our health. Having a good night's sleep has become one of the major problems that people fight with. In USA, 60% of its population is fighting with insomnia or other sleeping-related problems. Here we will present you some healthy options to help you get a good night's sleep. You shouldn't always reach for the sleeping pills. Try these 7 foods instead. 1. Banana. The magnesium found in bananas relaxes the muscles and therefore, it can help you get a good sleep. Bananas also contain potassium, a mineral that is helpful in preventing the night cramps. Bananas also balance the levels of sugar in your blood, and the neurotransmitter and tryptophan which the bananas contain can help you with insomnia. Eat a banana before going to bed if you want to feel its benefits. 2. Salmon. Vitamin B6 and omega-3 can help you loosen up and decrease stress. Both of these can be found in the wild salmon. The vitamin B is helpful with increasing the melatonin production, which can aid you to fall asleep much easier. With the consumption of salmon, your levels of vitamin D will also get increased, and that will help you fall asleep easier than before. 3. Herbal teas. Mint, valerian, chamomile, and lavender tea are the best for improving the quality of your sleep. The chamomile is the most powerful one, thanks to the apigenin that the chamomile contains. It's also great for soothing your brain and relaxing your body. Therefore, a cup of tea before you are going to bed is always a good choice. 4. Yogurt. If your sleeping disorder has been caused by a deficiency of calcium, then yogurt is your best solution. Your insomnia can be prevented by boosting the levels of calcium, and you can do that by consuming yogurt as well as some other dairy products. 5. Cherries. Another remedy for insomnia is drinking a cup of cherry juice just before you go to bed. The production of melatonin will be increased thanks to this juice, and it will result in quality sleep. The circadian rhythm will also be regulated with the help of this juice. If you don't have a cherry juice, 1 handful of this fruit will also have the same effect. 6. Whole grains. Magnesium is the mineral that helps you relax, and you can find it in whole grains. Including the whole grains in your diet will help you improve the quality of your sleep. 7. Cocoa. Magnesium is also found in cocoa, and that is why drinking 1 glass of it before you go to bed can help you relax. The cocoa also contains tryptophan, another helpful thing for the quality of your sleep.